Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need just 3 essentials to begin: a quiet room, a device to record, and short scripts. First, pick 3 voice styles: commercial, narration, and 1 character, so casting directors hear range. Next, set input levels to peak around -12 dB, make a few test reads, and listen back. Once done, trim the best takes and label files clearly by style and script. Make sure to do brief warm-ups before each take, because breath control and consistency save time later. Now you move into detailed editing. Import your takes and comp the best phrases. Use a gentle high pass at 80-120 Hz, reduce hiss with mild noise reduction, and tame sibilance with a de-esser. Once done, level match clips so loudness is consistent. Aim for perceived balance rather than peak chasing. Make short crossfades between cuts, and if you add music, keep it under the voice, about 8–10% relative. Make sure to export lossless for archiving, then create a 16-bit or 24-bit MP3 for sharing. Finish by sequencing your reel with the strongest sample first and a memorable sign-off at the end. Once done, export a full reel in separate single samples for auditions. Embed metadata like name and contact so files travel with you. Upload to hosting or attach to submissions at common bitrates. If background noise or plosives remain, first try spectral repair or a noise gate. If that fails, re-record the offending lines with a slightly different mic position and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.